Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'll be teaching you how to get the perfect blonde. We've all had brunettes sitting in our chairs before that say, I want to be as blonde as possible and I want it to look natural. So in today's video, I'll be going over little tips and tricks on how to make the blonde look like it's growing out of their head that way. Before we get into that though, let's get a little housekeeping out of the way. Do subscribe to our channel, hit the little bell so you're notified whenever we post new videos, which is every Friday. The kind of videos that we like to release are ones that help hairstylists take their game to the next level. The reason why I am where I am today is because I never stopped learning. So whether you are new in the industry or a little wiser in the industry, there's always something that you can be learning. Do leave your questions and comments down below. We will get back to you. And yeah, that's it. So let's get started. Here's the sectioning pattern that I use. I divided the hair into 5 sections, 1 on top, 2 on the sides that go just behind the ear, and the back is divided into 2 sections. So here with our foils, what I'm going to be doing is angling them all diagonal back, and I do that because it gives a really blended and diffused finish. So it's going to go like this. One thing about sectioning in the back side of the head is you want to make sure that you section just behind the ears so that these foils stay in nice and tight. Otherwise they have to bend all the way around the widest part and they get really loose. And you're just going to follow this pattern all the way up until the top of the section. And in the back, I'm choosing to do slices because she wants to be very, very heavily blonde. And this will give the finish of her being almost solid blonde. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this little piece. She has all these little baby hairs around her hairline, and if you don't get these little ones in, she's going to have a patch of darkness when she puts her hair up or pulls it behind her ear. So I have these little foils. I'm going to just put one first. Right, I'm going to tilt your head this way a little bit. Right here, just in her little sideburn. And it's so, her hair here is so fine, it may not even look like it needs one, but it will. If you don't do one, you'll regret it in the end. They'll have a dark spot. Let's put them right there. And then I'm going to put another one. Because you can see there's a lot of baby hairs up here too. So I'm going to angle it a little bit higher this time. Like that. These ones I'm going to do diagonal forward, and I'm going to do that all the way up. And a good way to know what the five section pattern is always parallel the part line. So we're going to go this way. So here, as you can see, little Miss Virginia has all these beautiful little baby hairs. So we got to make sure we weave those. I'm choosing to do a weave so that it looks really natural and there won't be any stripiness. Because she wants to be super blonde, you can do a little bit of a thicker weave. So here you can see the foils that I did last time. Because she wants to be super blonde, I'm going to choose the pieces that I haven't foiled yet, so there isn't a whole lot of dark left over. I may not use this technique for everyone. If someone wanted to have a little bit more dimension, then I would pick the same highlights that I did last time and do those ones blonde again. The other thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you're getting right to the hairline again so that what she sees, she's not seeing any dark there. Here's her foils all done. You can see they're all angled in not all different directions, but some are diagonal back and some are diagonal forward. And then can you tilt your head towards me? Oh yeah, there you go. See? Looks like a little star. Here's her hair before the toner is applied. Okay, here we have her washed and power dried. Now I'm going to throw in some Replenish and some Fix. These two are the best together for styling. It's going to give her a nice smooth finish and a lot of body. So I'm just going to put this in. And Fix is the best blow dry agent ever. I do not like to style hair without it. It gives tons of weightless body. Here is her hair all done. The salon is a bit dim, so here's what her hair looks like by natural light. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and more than that, I hope that you learned something. I don't know if you knew this, but 10% of the stylists in the industry make 90% of the money. And how you get into that 10% is you need to learn everything that you need to learn and execute it at the best level that you can. Also, head on over to nvenn.com to check out all of our products. You're going to love them all. They have the strength to style thick hair, and they are invisible enough that they can style fine hair. We also give away free products every month at www.nvenn.com/giveaway. We draw for the winner on the first of every month, so if by chance you don't win, make sure to enter again. So with that, that's it for today's video, and I will see you next week. Bye!